45 here, out in the great wide open. Still have some green as we fall into autumn. So I was just doing some work and I'm headed over to another job, and I wanted to do a pocket dump because we all like seeing each other's stuff, and you know, I got a bunch of stuff in my pockets. So all right, let's start off with some basics. I got this light from a dear friend in Texas, and I cannot recall the name of the maker, but there's an M inside. I believe this is titanium. It's a torch. It's pretty sweet. And I have a jet beam lanyard on it because I had it kicking around. I use this all day today in an attic. It's a great little light. Next, tester for electricity. This is a Milwaukee. Works. Some connectors. The king of the multi-tools, Leatherman Surge. This guy gets a lot of pocket time and bag time. I usually have it in my carpenter's bags. Pencil. Next, I've got this sweet pocket slip from my buddy Cam Garcia. I don't know if he's still making leather, but the few he made me are awesome. He's on a few of the Facebook groups. And inside, I've got this Revesz pocket knife. So this is a multi-generational company out of Hungary. The current master knife maker is second generation. His grandfather back in the 20s started up this company in Budapest, and this was another gift from the same buddy who gave me that light. And this model, I have no idea what it's called, but this company makes a lot of like sheep knives, shepherd knives. This one is a little more decorative. This is stabilized maple, and it's got some blue in it, and got some neat kind of lightning design on the spring. Here's the model number, 14116. This is definitely one of the best working knives I have. The only thing I don't absolutely love about it is that it's stainless, some sort of stainless steel. Probably, I don't know, a 440 maybe? It does not say. But this is just an awesome knife. I use this quite a bit. It's kept an edge. You know, I lightly strop it here and there, but awesome company. I think they're fairly affordable. I want to say they're around like $100 a piece. And you can just shoot them an email. Revesz is on, I think they have a Facebook page and Instagram, and you just send them an email and then they do the whole translate just like we do. Tell them what you want. Yeah, as you can see, I got a pretty big hand, just in comparison to the Surge. It's a good sized knife. It's, you know, it's a full folder. I really like how it's one blade. You can see the swell in the middle. It's just an awesome knife. All right, walking in at 45, headed out to the next job. Let's go. Out.